was a quick look at the Macallister cordless 18-volt angle grinder. I will have to correct myself in regards to the 2 amp hour battery and the charger. I did have a quick look online and it's not 45, it's £40. In regards to the tool itself, your everyday lightweight steels, like I say, the 10mm bar, it coped okay with that. Battery life, it ain't going to be too bad. I mean, it used 1 bar for those cuts I did, and like I say, we're only talking household projects here, not any heavy duty steel work. But yeah, as far as I'm concerned, for what I would need it for, like I say, a bit of 2mm tubing, 10mm bar, lightweight steel tubing, it went fine. So thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next one.